what is the main role of a chemical process engineer in plant design? Usually, we start from the product specification. We have the raw material conditions, and between the product specification and the raw material conditions, the chemical process engineer that works with plant design must propose unit operations in order that we can transform the raw material into the product. And inside these unit operations, we have equipment. So the chemical process engineer performs calculations in order to define the equipments that are needed to transform the raw material into the product. And these calculations will lead to specifications, and it will lead to the purchase of equipment, installation of equipment, commissioning, startup, and productions. So without these steps, there are no plant design in real life.